Hey BLT, it is currently about 1:30 on Monday. Hey, I am just working on, sorry, I have a little glitch here. I'm just working on our meeting for tomorrow and have been kind of through the weekend. Wanted to just have some quick thoughts that I'm sharing so you have some time to think before you arrive and for us to connect. So we're going to meet in Caleb's room at 3:10, 3:15, and probably go till about 4:15, 4:30. Um, we're going to start off just with a review and a reflection. We've done quite a few things in launching the year. We are at week 3, which feels awesome. It's been about a month since we were together and making lots of plans. And so just kind of checking in on how things are going. I know that we have work to do. I know that we have some things that seem confusing and that we need to work through. And so, um, anyway, we're going to do some workshop review. We're going to talk about just the reflection on where things are at and how they've gone. And if something's not on here, feel free to add it. I'll give you all editing rights when I share it in a minute. PLC reflection. How did your first one go? I also want to talk a little bit about notes and some of that, what I'm looking for. Advisory and grade level needs. This EADS will change to a needs. And as I've been in advisories and as I've been kind of around, I think we need to just talk about what we expect from students. And then I'm seeing a lot of students still having nothing to do when they're coming to advisory. And so I think there's plenty that they could be doing, but making sure that you have the right resources to get that done. We have this class called Middle School Success that we're really working on, working with Gabe and Michaelia on that. And I know this might be for 7th grade, but for 7th grade teachers and also 8th grade teachers, I want you to think about what we all need our students to know. The rest of you, it's also important because what do they get while they come into us? So we're finding kids really need help with how do I even email a teacher? When do I delete an email? Those kinds of things. I want us to watch, if you're a 7th and 8th grade teacher, even 6th grade, this little bit on Cornell Notes. We're talking about a note-taking strategy and maybe that everybody would have the same note-taking strategy. So it's not different as I go from science to social to English to math. And then digital citizenship is a piece of that as well. But as we build this course, we want to make sure we represent what everybody needs. We also want to talk about, do 8th graders need this? They're getting another semester of health, and maybe we need to add some of this in there as well. Wanted to connect on that. We have some staff development time coming up. I want to make sure we're very, very purposeful with. And so we know we have benchmark literacy that needs to be happening. Math curriculum team needs to meet. Science has tons of curriculum work. But I want to make sure that we are really purposeful in what we're doing there. I also need our 4, 5, and 6 grade teachers to stay for just a little bit after. We're going to talk a little bit about benchmark literacy and where we're headed with that. I think there's some exciting opportunities, some conversations and questions that we have as well. So I'll add that to the agenda. Again, if you have questions or things that we need to add, please do, and we will rock it out tomorrow. All right, good to see you all. We'll see you in Caleb's room, 3:15. Take care.